Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to monitor processes on Linux. So in order to do this, of course we have to open our terminal, so we will go into show apps, and now we have to go into our terminal and we have to open it. I will show you for me the best way how to do it. For me the best way is to use htop command, but as you can see htop command is not installed by default on our system, so we have to install it right now. We have two options to do it. It doesn't really matter, the only version is different. I will maybe use the second one. So sudo apt install htop and press enter, and right now I have to type in my password. You have to do it also. So now we have to wait for our installation to be finished. It will not take long, but as you can see it's finished already, and right now we can clear our terminal. Maybe I will do a full screen to make it a little bit nicer, and right now we can run our htop. And as you can see, we have a lot of things right here. These are all our processes in our system. Here we have the process ID, so the ID of the process. Here we have the username that the process is attached to. So for example, these processes are attached to this test_pl user. For example, these processes are to root, and these are to the system log, and you can read it quickly. Here we have a priority. Here we have a lot of things for example, the sizes. Here we have the CPU usage, here we have the memory usage, and here we have the time for the process that the process exists. And here we have a comment. Here we have, for example, our htop process, and as you can see, here we have options. We have help. Help, of course, will help us if we don't know something. We have setup, we have search. We can use, for example, search. You have to press F3 on our keyboard. We can press search, and as you can see we have search bar here, and we can type in only for htop, for example, htop, and it will show us only htop right here. But we can also type, for example, the name that multiple processes have it, for example bin, and we can use F3, for example, to scroll that. So F3, next, as you can see, and it will show us only the processes with bin. We can cancel it by pressing escape, and right now we can filter that. Again, only htop. Filter will show us only the processes that with the name that we will type in here. For example, with the bin again, only with the bin. As you can see, it works like that. We can again go back by pressing escape, and right now tree will show us the tree of the processes right here. As you can see, you can scroll that. It looks a little bit nicer. We can also sort by pressing F6, and we can sort by, for example, process ID. We can sort by the user. We can sort again by, for example, the usage of the memory. We can sort by CPU. I guess this is by default, so we can leave it like that. We can, for example, go down or go up with the niceness of our process. That the niceness means if the niceness is lower, that means the priority of our process is bigger, and if the niceness is bigger, the priority is lower. And we can use F9 to kill our process. So for example, we can try to kill maybe our htop. I think it might break, but we will try it. So right now we have our htop, and we can press F9, and we can kill it by pressing enter. And as you can see, our htop is killed. And that's basically all. You have also, I guess, the quit option, so to quit you can also press F10, but you can do it in that way as I showed you before. And in this video that will be all. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.